high-density polyethylene. Won't rust or rot or
Hi, my name is Jim Layton.
And my name's Doug Bradley, and we invented EmeraldEdge landscape border.
The easiest to install edging on earth.
EmeraldEdge comes in either a 48 count box or a 130 count box. Each box is a self-displaying stand, prominently showing the product. Each piece of EmeraldEdge is a 4-foot long rigid plastic edging that is safer than metal, lasts longer than the wooden products, and more durable than the black vinyl products.
EmeraldEdge connects securely from the top with a tongue and groove connector, so one piece gets interlocks into the next.
The unique rib design allows you to install EmeraldEdge by just hammering directly into the ground with a rubber mallet. Yet EmeraldEdge is flexible enough to do curves, tree rings, curvilinear designs. Anything that's appropriate to do in the yard can be done with EmeraldEdge.
EmeraldEdge is the first rigid plastic edging that you just hammer in the ground. It is safer than the metal products on the market and is much easier to install than either the metal or the black vinyl products. We left you a nice smooth surface on the front to use your nylon trimmers against. The unique rib design on the back is what allows you to hammer it in the ground, but because of the spacing of the ribs, EmeraldEdge is extremely flexible in either direction. Each piece has a living hinge, which is real stiff, but if you have to make a corner, all you do is flex it, and it allows you to make a perfect corner in either direction.
EmeraldEdge can be displayed directly on the shelf as shown here with either the 48 count box or the 130 count box. You may also prominently display it at the end of the aisle on an end cap.
Each piece in the 48 count box has a brochure label on the front which gives installation instructions and how to cut EmeraldEdge.
EmeraldEdge that comes in a 130 count box comes with its own brochure box. Upon arrival at the retail location, you can simply attach it to the front. The brochure lists the features on the front side with the installation instructions on the reverse. EmeraldEdge is the easiest to install edging on earth, and if kept prominently displayed on your shelf next to your other edging products, sales will be excellent for your store.
EmeraldEdge is the best edging product to have been developed in the last 20 years, and your customers will love it. Thank you for your time today.
Rigid plastic edging that you can actually hammer directly into the ground. It's made out of high-density polyethylene. Won't rust or rot or crack or chip. Hi, I'm Doug Bradley.
And I'm Jim Layton. Doug and I invented EmeraldEdge landscape border to be the easiest to install edging on earth.
Each piece of EmeraldEdge is 4 feet long, easy to transport in your car or in your trunk. Because of the unique rib design on the back, you can install EmeraldEdge by hammering it directly into the ground with a rubber mallet. Yet it's flexible enough to do curves, tree rings, and curvilinear designs. You can also flex the living hinge connector and do perfect corners or angles. You can bury EmeraldEdge as deep as you need and still use a nylon trimmer.
EmeraldEdge contains an ultraviolet inhibitor, so it won't fade or become brittle over time. EmeraldEdge connects from the top with a tongue and groove connector, so one piece gets interlocks into the next to form an impenetrable barrier against grass and weeds.
EmeraldEdge is a safe product, safer than metal and will not rust. It is easier to install than black vinyl and won't rot like some of the wood products. Rigid plastic edging that you can actually hammer directly into the ground. It's made out of high-density polyethylene.
Thank you for your time today.